Guys, guys, I don't want to talk right now. So, my voice is gonna, like, it's covered in, because I don't want to see it, because some years I do not understand that, because I'm a Filipino actually. So, kasi guys, ang sakit ng nalalamunan ko. Kaya ayun, kasi sorry yung mga dyan, USA, kasi taga Filipino. So bye.